sit on your hands? Plan to march for the next 4 decades? Buy warm clothes? Or would you push back with everything you have? That's the opportunity we have right now. And I would encourage all of you to go to restrainthejudges.com. If you go to restrainthejudges.com, and I think we have some of those flyers. Mom, do we bring those in? I don't know where they are, but they might be in that box. But you go to restrainthejudges.com, and for $50, less than $50, we will print and personalize a restraining order. What is a restraining order? Well, it's a way to say we, the people, are calling on Congress to remove the federal jurisdiction and the appellate jurisdiction from the Supreme Court, the jurisdiction to rule on marriage from the federal judges, and the appellate jurisdiction from the Supreme Court to say you will not take away our sovereign vote. You will not undermine marriage. Thank you. You can, if you want one, anybody want one of these things? This tells you about some of the things that you can do. And the Restrain the Judges is one project I'd encourage you to get behind. Because what we're going to do for the first time in a long time is we're actually going to deliver. If you click a button and you send this to not just all of Congress, but it goes to every justice on the Supreme Court. They're not used to getting mail from people. We're going to send it with your name on it. Whoever clicks the button, we're going to personalize it, print it to them from you, delivered in the mail, landing on their doorsteps. I just know this. We've got until June. Really, we've got until next month when they hear the case, April 28th. The Supreme Court is hearing the case on marriage. And there are many people who are, they're just saying it's the end of the world. I'm using direct quotes from people who you know, who are leaders, who feel like it's game over. But I'm telling you, it's not game over. Just like Roe versus Wade did not decide the issue of abortion, we need to push back now, number one, to make sure there is no Roe versus Wade in marriage. But no matter what, if we have a pulse, we have a purpose, we have a reason, we have freedom, we need to use it.
Right.
And that's where we are right now in this country.
Amen.
So I'll take questions, but I just wanted you to know, this is not over, and God can use the remnant. You know the Phyllis Schlafly thing? I love that you clapped during that, because I cried when I watched it, because Phyllis Schlafly, God bless her, you pray for her, she's 90 years old.
Yes.
But she stood, think about it, she stood against a freight train, 3 presidential administrations, 30 states had already passed it, all of the media, there was no Fox, no Fox News, no conservative radio, no Rush Limbaugh, she didn't have a fax machine. The woman had a phone and a newsletter, period. And on the day that the ERA went down in flames, they said there's something very powerful. This is now talking. Why does now realize what our own people don't realize? Now said that there's something very powerful working against us, and I certainly don't mean people. We have a testimony. It's like God said, it's like saying, do it again, God. You did it with Phyllis Schlafly. She didn't have the media. She didn't have there's no internet, no social media. There's nothing. We have it all, and if we will use it, I believe God's going to step in and do it all.
Amen.
Yes, you had a question. Sorry.
Yeah, what's interesting, people may not know, 3 of those judges are sodomites on the Supreme Court.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, lesbians.
No.
Definitely.
Anyway,
You know that Ruth Bader Ginsburg and Elena Kagan, both of those people have overseen homosexual so-called weddings.
Yeah.
So we're saying they need to recuse themselves.
That's exactly right.
They need to get off the court and get out of this decision. You know, in Alabama, Judge Moore is very public. He's very open about what it is.
Amen.
And there it is, Restrain the Judges. So you click it and you can send it to the speaker and just the leadership. You can send it to every Republican. If you scroll down to option number 3, that's the one I encourage you. It goes to everybody.